All right, we have just drilled our holes for the tops of the legs. We're now gonna sand the round over so that our leg can do the proper rotation once it's assembled. So you can do that on either this belt sander or this disc sander here. Both of the belts will be going down. The rotation will be holding your piece down. So if you're using the belt sander here, put this flat on the table and take away the corners and make this nice and round. And if you're using the disc sander, do the same thing, but the disc will be rotating this way and will be holding your piece to the flat to the table. So you're gonna just try to make a nice uniform round over. That's why we have the lines drawn in from before. It's also optional. You can either leave the bottom of your leg square, like so, or you can do a matching round over on that side as well. Just make sure that it's in the same orientation as your hole. So the round over is this way. If you were to do it on the bottom, make sure it does the same orientation as well, because that's the way the leg will be sitting once we've assembled it. Now our holes all have a round over at the top of our legs. I'm going to choose to round over the other side as well. This is optional. It just depends if you want a squared off look or a round over. Now I have a round over on both sides, and there's one important reminder that if you are going to take it off the bottoms, that you don't take off too much material so that one leg might be shorter than the other. So if you are going to do a round over, it's good to check that they're still the same height as the other legs.